Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Last year, during the Defense Expo 2020, the Kalyani Group for the first time has showcased its latest artillery gun system called MARG ER, that is Mountain Artillery Gun Extended Range Ultralight Howitzers, with 155mm by 52 caliber in towed version. The MARG ER has been derived from its predecessor 155mm by 39 caliber ULH, that is ultralight howitzers. The MARG comes in two variants. They are steel and titanium based. The steel version weighs about 6.8 tons and titanium version weighs less than 5 tons. Kalyani Group has already completed the internal trials of the ultralight 155mm by 39 caliber ULH, and on the recommendation of then COS Bipin Rawat and now CDS has been offered to Indian Army. It is an all-steel ULH mounted on a Ashok Leland Mk4 general utility truck. The steel version of truck-mounted MARG 155mm by 39 caliber ULH is also called TC20, regarding which there are some key updates. But before moving forward with the update on TC20 development, let's look into its specifications. The ULH weighs around 6.8 tons and has a range of 24.7 km, which can be further extended to 30 km with the help of associated ammunition. In intense mode, it can fire 4 rounds per minute. In sustained mode, 75 rounds per hour. The gun is capable of firing at an angle between -3 degree to 72 degree. The interesting part of this truck-mounted ULH is that it is Army-owned unit, which means it is produced by Army. It is not financial burden for Kalyani Group. In my opinion, it is the best concept for dealing with the import-driven forces. Talking about the update, TC20, which is still in a prototype stage, is now ready for user trials. The system will undergo user trials by Indian Army for next 12 months in different weather conditions and terrains. I'm just hoping this trial should not go in vain like 80 AGS Part 2 as in famous never-ending trials. If we compare TC20 with BAE developed M777 light howitzers, which is still being inducted into Indian Army, they have similar range. The range are similar because the gun diameter and caliber is same as 155mm and 39mm. Since TC20 is made up of steel, it will be much cheaper than M777 of USA, but at the same time, it will be 1.6 tons heavier than M777 as M777 are made up of titanium. However, M777 is a standalone ULH and this is truck mounted, so the small difference in weight should not matter. Moreover, truck-mounted howitzers have tactical advantage over towed howitzers as they can quickly change their location after firing the shot due to the development of counter-battery radar, which can easily locate the location of howitzer. Overall, this is commendable progress by Kalyani Group in 1 year. This shows how private players can revolutionize the Indian defense sector by delivering what is committed and not giving the excuses like it can't be delivered due to corona pandemic while munching samosas with tea in canteen. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you had not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.